thundering earlier today.
It was
so
loud
hopefully
this
they
morning.
missed that.
Ryan Goddard, when will we dry out?
By Saturday. How about that? Chopper 4 could have kind of tilted the rotors and pushed that canoe right along, giving them a little push or so, but they didn't need their exercise, I guess. Let's take a look at what's going on with our Viper HD. We are in the warm sector of the storm system. If you can't tell, those showers and thunderstorms this morning were from the warm front that after a cold Memorial Day weekend, it was not pretty whatsoever. We had the rain, we had the thunderstorms, now we have the 70s and the humidity. You can really feel the humidity. We're going to stay in this warm sector from now until, I'd say, Saturday morning. Because of that, we're going to have pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Tornado watches now just south of Des Moines through Kansas City back into Kansas. This is where the severe weather will set up for tonight. We will be seeing a few showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, but no severe weather overnight tonight, just some more scattered showers. It continues to be dreary. We had a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon, got up to around 75 degrees. A little dampness outside, some areas of drizzle across the region. The temp in Waukesha is 66. The north wind is calm, humidity at 93%. The high today is 75, right around 1 o'clock this afternoon, above normal. 93 is the record. The rainfall here in Milwaukee about an inch, about a half inch from Brown Deer up towards Sheboygan, over towards Fond du Lac, lesser amounts to the south. 1 year ago today, remember how warm that spring was? Almost 90 degrees. The humidity is back. We haven't showed this map in a long time. Dew points yesterday were in the 30s and 40s. Very dry, comfortable air. Today, 50s and 60s. And when it gets close to 70, like it is here in Milwaukee and Chicago, that's becoming steamy, almost tropical. When it hits 70, that's when it's tropical, like down in Florida along the Gulf Coast. We're not seeing quite that much humidity, but it's thick outside, especially when we have not been used to it for months on end. It'll be that dew point, the warmth in the afternoon, and the unstable air that'll create the showers the next couple of days. We have that chance of showers and thunderstorms tonight and for tomorrow. The severe weather threat, though, goes from the Twin Cities all the way down through Oklahoma City and more. That's a slight risk for that area tomorrow. Thursday, a moderate risk for Kansas and Oklahoma, so an even better chance. They were under a moderate risk just about a week and a half ago or so when they had that tornado down there, so they're watching Thursday very carefully. That same storm system will be affecting us off and on throughout the rest of the week. And we have our best chance of severe weather late Thursday night and then once again Friday with an approaching cold front. But outside right now, it's just kind of partly cloudy to mostly cloudy. Some areas of fog already developing along the high rises here along the lakefront. 67 degrees. The wind is calm. Humidity at 93%. So it's steamy outside with the warmer temperatures and those high dew points. We will have fog overnight tonight. 70 in West Bend, 72 in Whitewater, 75 in Kenosha. These are still the current temps, so it's a sticky one out there at this hour. The winds are light, so you already saw the fog begin to develop, and we will have patchy fog overnight. Low temperatures right around 60 degrees with some scattered showers developing sometime after 10 o'clock. Highs on Wednesday, upper 70s to lower 80s. A little bit cooler right along the lakefront from Port Washington to Sheboygan. Otherwise, everyone else right around 80 degrees. And look for some scattered showers or even a thunderstorm to pop up late in the afternoon with that heating. But as long as we're in the warm sector of the storm system, which is from now through Friday, we'll have these pop-up showers and thunderstorms. It will not be a rain out. Not every day is going to see rain from start to finish. It'll be like today. We had the rain in the morning, and we even had a little bit of sun in the afternoon. Tomorrow and Thursday, the best chance will be in the afternoon. And once again on Friday. Tonight, some scattered showers reappear after around 9 or 10 o'clock. We've already had a few isolated sprinkles and light rain showers around, but the more persistent rain will be later tonight. Fog and warm with a low of 61. 78 degrees tomorrow. Look for those scattered storms to develop in the afternoon. Otherwise, mostly cloudy and humid. The 7-day forecast, 80 on Thursday. At least the next couple of days are getting back to like summer-like conditions, and because of that, with the heat and humidity, we have the thunderstorm threat. Saturday, just a few showers and 74. Sunday, a little cooler at 63. So those who have wanted summer weather, it has arrived. Unfortunately, it's not going to be nice blue sky. It's going to have those thunderstorms.
Nothing's perfect, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Well, you are, Carol. And Steve. I didn't want to
You're going to upset him. Okay, thank you, Brian.